Miss Mia, I need you to turn your video on, please. Thank you. Awesome job, Arian. Thank you. Okay. So now we are going to write our number sentence. And remember, we have a total of 10 swings. So we have a total of 10 swings. I think we're going to write a number bond to help us. So I want everybody to make a blank number bond. Oh, hold on. There we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, thank you for that thumbs up, Javon, is figure out what number goes in our total part of our number bond. So how many swings did we have in all, Javon? Friends, make sure you are muted unless your name is Javon.
Seven. No, count all of them. I did. Not the ones in the circle, all of them. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So how many total swings do we have, sir? 10. So we're going to write 10 in the total part of our number bond.
I thought it was 3.
So then our problem, our word problem, breaks down 10 into 2 different parts. So we have the swings that students were using and the swings that were empty. So I'm going to use a visual, friends, to see if this will help us out. So we had 3 swings that were empty, and we had 7 swings that students were using. So that gives us our 2 parts of 10. So, Mr. James, can you tell us one part of our 10?
It's 7.
7, very good. So James told us one of our parts is 7, and that is correct. So that looks kind of like a 1, guys. Hold on. So that is the 7 swings that students are using. Awesome job, James. So Miss Mia, can you tell us our other part?
Huh?
Can you tell us the other part of our number?
3.
Yes, our other part is 3. So we would write 3 in our number bond. So remember, when we use our number bond to write our number sentence, we add, for this part, we add our 2 parts together. So friends, I want you to try to write your number sentence, and I'll give you the format. Let me move our cubes. So I'll give you the format. So So there's our little number sentence template, and I want you guys to try and write our number sentence. So remember, you are filling in the numbers that go in these blanks. Miss Mila, I hope you are focusing on our math there, friend. Okay, I see Miss Erin with your hand raised. Do you have a question, friend, or did you want to help us out with our number sentence? You're muted, friend. You gotta make sure you unmute.
And 7 and 3.
Okay, but you need to read it. So blank plus blank equals blank. So what numbers did you put in these blanks?
10.
So you did 10 plus
3.
equals.
7.
Okay, so Arian said 10 plus 3 equals 7. Give me a thumbs up if you agree and a thumbs down if you disagree. Okay. James, why do you disagree?
I put 3 plus 7 equals 10.
Okay, you're correct, friend, bud. Good job. So why did you put that, though? So why did you put the 10 over here?
Because 10 go first.
So 7 and 3 equal a total of what number?
And
10. And so after our equal sign, we have our total, which is 10. So then, why did you put your 7 and your 3 over on this side?
I put my 3 in the back. I put my 7 in the middle.
Mm-hmm. So why did you put your 3 and your 7 right there?
Because Because 10 ain't a big number. 10 ain't a big number. And 7 go right here.
Okay, so we have our total of 10 after our equal sign. And then we have 3 and 7. And 3 and 7 are what? They're what of 10? There are parts, right, James? And so you added your two parts together to get 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so say I added the two parts to get 10. Can you say that for me? Say I added my two parts
My 2 parts to 10.
to get 10. Good job, friend. Okay, friends, so we will work some more on our number sentences, and we'll continue that in our lesson today. So Ms. Greathouse is going to flip her paper over. And I want you to look at our two different sticks. And I want you to think about things that you notice that are the same and things that you notice that are different. So I'm going to give you about a minute of think time. And so I don't want anyone to say anything yet. I'm going to give you about a minute of think time. And then I'm going to call on a few friends to tell us something that is the same, so a similarity, and something that is different, so a difference. So you're going to be looking for things that are the same about the two sticks and things that are different. And if you need to write something down so you don't forget it, go ahead and do that. Okay, friends, remember to stay on mute.